Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Super 228D seed cleaner. This is a pre-cleaner. This unit has a high bushel per hour. We're just going to do a walk around of this unit, demonstrate our work. This unit is sold, but we have more of these units in stock that could be rebuilt and made to look just like this one. We sell a wide variety of seed cleaners, larger and smaller. We have options to meet any budget. You can buy these units as is from us, do the work yourself. We sell all of the parts if you want to go that route. And we can tune these units up. Tuned up would mean that we don't do any cosmetic work to it. We may spray it with a coat of varnish to brighten it up, but then we would just go through, do the mechanical work, and get it ready to perform. And then of course you can buy them completely rebuilt, like new condition, like you see here. You can see we've gone through this unit. We've replaced every bearing. Anything that needed removed or replaced was done so. You can see that everything is nice and bright. We have all new shaker arms, new bearings throughout the machine, new wood where needed. You can see that we had to replace some boards up here on the hopper. We use a special high-grade, high-density plywood that's stronger than oak. You can see this unit has a unique hopper on it. The customer specifically requested a cottonseed hopper. That's an option that's hard to get nowadays, but you can get it from us here at Commodity Traders International. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt at the request of the buyer. Wanted the cottonseed hopper option. We've set up this unit to run on a 10 horsepower single phase electric motor. We're going to fire it up for you now. Fires right up, starts strong, runs strong. We've test ran this unit for about 3 hours today. You can see everything works as it should. You can see the shaker bearings going back and forth. Again, this unit is a pre-cleaner. That's why the shoes are set at a steep angle. Now this unit has a large safety shield on the side. That's for ease of maintenance. That allows you to take these two doors off of this unit and access the entire side of drive components. Makes it really easy to work on when maintenance does come around. And this unit does have a brush system. You can see the brush jack working underneath of this unit. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. It might as well be a new one. It's going to go out and perform as good as a new one and not cost the buyer near as much. This unit is ready to go out and perform for a long time. This unit is sold by us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery, as well as seed cleaners like you see here, larger and smaller. Thank you for watching.